What's up, guys? We're trying to save these good bodies that aren't really damaged. 2573 is a Terminator Cobra. 2570 is a Clear Title 99 Cobra. Super old car. We've had it for a long time. This is a Terminator Cobra that had a little dash fire. It's a certificate of destruction, but it's probably the straightest body we have. Somebody put a little roll cage in here. It has been sitting probably for 2 or 3 years. I bet I would sell this one for $500. Here is a this is a Terminator. Yeah, Clear Title Terminator. Got a dent in the door. Here's a Fox convertible. Front end's swung around. I don't know why that's here. Here's a Clear Title Fox convertible. Here's a Clear Title 15 to 17 GT. Here's a Clear Title. No, that may be a 18 and up, and this is a 15 to 17 with a Clear Title. And here is a BMW M3. I can't remember the title status on that one. Right here, we got a Clear Title EcoBoost S550. That'd make a good race car. It's pretty straight. Oh, it's got quarter damage. Here's a Clear Title Gen 5 Camaro SS. Here's a Clear Title Gen 5 Camaro SS. Here's a Gen 5 Camaro Roller. Can't remember the title status. Another one. Gen 5. Here's a 1314 GT. E46 M3. Teeny little bit of damage on the front rail. E46 M3. Don't think this one has any damage. I see the fenders hanging out. Yeah. And this is a Gen 6. I can't remember the title status. I think it's Clear Title. And then we got a bunch of truck cabs. There's Hunter, the German Shepherd. There's Dexter, the German Shepherd. This old Rouse truck right here, this thing, we're ready to part it out. There's Max, the German Shepherd. And then we've got the latest and greatest this week. A pair of his and hers 1993 Cobras. Clear Title, barn finds. One bought for the husband. Red was the husband's. Black was the wife's. This one last drove in 2000, according to the tag. This one last driven in 2008. Both parked for fuel pump failures and then never driven again. Yup. We'll catch y'all later. Brian, we don't know what he's doing. We got our 2 cotton harvesters. 2 CP770s, 23 models. They're both for sale. We just finished our yearly cotton harvest. We got them down here in the wash bay getting cleaned up, getting washed up, getting ready to be stored for the winter or sold. We prefer not to sell them to China. But yeah, let's part this old Roush supercharged truck out today. 912-293-5705, the parts farm. Don't worry about those peanut pickers